If you're looking to clean the patio, car, fence, house, or just about anything else, then you're going to want to get your hands on this. This is the TUF V3 electric pressure washer. This is a lovely portable unit, but don't be fooled by the size. With a maximum pressure of 150 bar / 2,175 PSI, you'll be getting things looking sparkly in no time. TUF have thought about all of the ways that you'd want to be using the V3, which is why this comes with an armoury of accessories. As well as the standard gun with nozzles for jetting and blasting, you also get a rotary surface cleaning tool and a foamer cannon for applying cleaning agents alongside the water. This is nice and easy to store away in the shed or garage, especially with the handy telescopic handle at the back of the unit. With the 5-metre high pressure hose going into the gun, you'll be able to cover all of the tasks in your garden without having to worry about slack. Now, when it comes to pressure washers, TUF have established themselves as one of the most reliable manufacturers, covering you from your smaller domestic pressure washers all the way up to your industrial models. So if you're looking to get some serious cleaning done and avoid taking up too much space in your shed at the same time, then you are going to want to check this out. It's the TUF V3 electric pressure washer, and it's available now at its.co.uk.